scientific study of RIG VEDA, class 12. We are going through Mandal-1, Chapter-1, Anuvak-1, Sooktha 2. In this, through 3 mantras 1, 2 and 3, they are explaining certain things in connection with the god VAYU. VAYU means gas, air. So in this, through these 3 mantras, they are going to explain certain things in connection with the VAYU. So let us first go through the first mantra and see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 അഷ്ടകം 1 അധ്യായം 1 സൂക്തം 2 ഋഷി മധുഛന്ദസ് ദേവത വായു ഛന്ദസ് ഗായത്രി വായവായാഹി ദർശതേ മേ സോമാ അരം കൃതഃ തേഷാം പാഹി ശ്രുധി ഹവം.
It says, after placing Soma. Soma means anything which is you going to use for producing another thing. For example, if we want to prepare a food or a rice, we should take water, we should take raw rice and put it in a pot, and that is the inputs. And that inputs are called somam. That should be well prepared somam. That is will be in a good in all respect. For example, if we are going to prepare a food, rice, we should take a very good rice, raw rice, pure water, likewise. Take in a well cleaned pot, etc. So, after that, it says we should invite VAYU, that is gas. So, in most cases, gases are required. For example, we want to heat that one. So, we are placing wood or kerosene or anything like that, fuel. And after placing that fuel also, we are then inviting air, gas, to burn that firewood. So air is an essential thing in most chemical reactions. Even burning of wood itself means combining with the air, combining with the oxygen. That is burning. At the time of our birth, we are taking air. Without air, we cannot live. In most chemical reactions, air is taking place an important role. So we are inviting air, even lighting the fire, air is required. So after placing the soma, we are inviting air to take part in that action. So then it says, that air should come after hearing our vachana. Vachana means scientific words. Based on certain science principles, we are doing any karma or action. even cooking food, we are placing these materials in the right proportion. For example, for cooking rice, we should take so much quantity of raw rice, and for that enough water is to be taken. Then we are applying Agni. So at the time of the reaction taking place in this pot, there are a number of changes are taking place inside it. The rice becomes soft and internal structure changes of that rice, raw rice. And air is taking place in that reaction. It is producing that heat. That heat is converting it, and a chemical reaction is taking place inside that. Structural changes are taking place in that operation, in that process. So everything is taking place based on the science principle. So it says, based you should hear that science principle. Vachana. Vachana means Vedic Sookthas or mantras. Mantra means science terms. There are certain science principles, cooking principles, or that recipe. In that recipe, certain things are taking place. Then only we will get the good final result, final product. So then it says, after that, after hearing our science principles, you came here and take that inputs we given to it. Actually, we are giving these things to Agni, Vayu, etc. They are taking these substances, raw rice, water, etc. Then it will convert into, they will take that one. That system will absorb that thing. Absorb this raw rice, water, etc., heat, everything, air, etc. Then after taking it, it will gives us the product. Now let us go to the next Sooktha. That's a mantra 2, and see what it says.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 2 ഋഷി മധു ഛന്ദസ് ദേവത വായു ഛന്ദസ് ഗായത്രി വായാ ഉക്തേഭിർജരന്തേ തോമച്ഛ ജരിതാരഃ സുദസോമോ അഹർവിദഃ.
It also says the same thing. It says to Vayu that after hearing our Sooktha, or based on these science principles, that is Sooktha. In the Sooktha, Vedic mantra science principles are there. How to cook food, how to cook, prepare some other. For example, if we want to produce a chip, we should take such and such a raw material, and it should be applied to Agni in such and such a way. Then only we will get the final product, chip, IC, chip. So there is some science principle. So accepting that science principle, it instructs this Vayu or air or gas to convert into Anna. Anna means product. So accepting these three substances, Soma, and also accepting the technology we applied in it, it requests it tells this air to convert it into the product, that is Anna. In general, we are giving this soma or inputs to the system which contains Agni and Vayu, etc. And with the help of Agni and Vayu, these are converted into the product Anna. They are accepting it, they are taking it, they are absorbing it, they are eating it, and they will give out the product in the form of Anna. Now let us go through the next mantra and see what it says.
RIGVEDam Mandalam 1 Sooktha 2 അതിൽ 3 സൂക്തം 2-ൽ 3 ഋഷി മധു ഛന്ദസ് ദേവത വായു ഛന്ദസ് ഗായത്രി വായോ തവ പ്രപ്രഞ്ചതി തേനാജിഗാതി ദാശുഷേ ഉരുചി സോമപീതയേ.
It also says the same thing with the advanced science principles. Marmaspashya, that is advanced science. Vani means advanced science. Based on advanced science, based on advanced principle, scientific principle. So this you should first understand these principles. Scientific, accept these science principles. It is instructing you have to accept these principles, scientific principles, and based on it, you should accept this soma. You can take this soma. That is what all things we are giving an inputs. You should accept. You can eat it. You can take it based on these science principles. Then give the result to the producer. That is, who is going to produce new things. We are supplying, that person is supplying, or the cook is giving these materials to Agni and Vayu. For example, for cooking rice, this cook is giving raw rice, water, wood, etc. and inviting Agni. Then it will lit the fire. It will burn the wood or gas, etc. and produce the Agni. And with the help of this system absorb all these things and converts it into rice, the food, and gives to the person who requires. We doing this karma. That is what it says. In general, gas is playing an important role in all our activities. Even we are living with the help of the air we are taking in. It plays an important role in our genetic system, digestive system, and in other chemical reactions also. Air plays an important role. Air means hydrogen, oxygen, etc. Air, hydrogen, oxygen, etc. plays an important role in all our productive work, manufacturing work. So they are helping us to produce new things. So all in our activities, Agni is an important player. The next one is air. Now let us go through another mantras which is related with the Indra. Indra and this gas, that we can see in the next class.